Hi, welcome back to Satan's Own Den. I don't know if I can really post the one I did for 7 time, just because it's really long. And I meant for it to be a meme. I really can't do that stuff because I didn't learn the dance. I wasn't there when they taught the choreography. I can't just do it on the fly from a video, okay? So stop making it seem like I can just do that. You're not, but I am. Okay, anyways. This is just gonna be a video of things tap-wise that I can kind of do, but not really and not good enough to show them to anyone. So y'all are gonna be the first. Keep in mind that I am doing this at an advanced level. Don't mean to fucking suck my own dick or anything, but I've been doing this for a while, so don't think that it's oh, me, I'm actually just amazing. I don't think that I am. It's just shit that I'm working on. So yeah, there's that. Back at it again with no socks. Don't do that, it hurts your feet. It'll take also fucking sweep your floor because you don't want it to sound like this. Hear that? Bad for your taps. So I walk on it. All right. First, I'm gonna start out with some wings. These are things that I can do. Yeah. Easy, you can do a lot. You can do fucking one-sided wings. Those are things I'm working on. Nope, see? All right, first of all, some of y'all, try and school me how to do wings, all right? Let me tell you, maybe this will just be a teaching video, all right? This is gonna be kind of an intermediate, whatever the fuck, I don't even care. Here you are, right? These are your feet, you're ready to do your wings. You cannot just go out, tap, tap, in. It is a scrape, tap, in. You have to move your foot sideways. Hence, it's not really a hence, but here it is. You go in. You break your fucking ankle, okay? Ow. Beauty hurts. I can kind of do those. I just did. I'm not going to do them again because it's always iffy. Let's see. Double grab offs. See? It's kind of shitty. If I do it a second time, it kind of worked. Third time, there she is. Then you can also do it with just one foot. It's just a lot fucking easier. Oh my god, I learned these things. I forgot what they're called and I can't really do them. But you can always try, so. You have to do start here. And you have to switch and make 4 sounds, I think. So it's supposed to be for a second. Oh, but I can't really do them. There's these, which I kind of learned. It's not really a step, just kind of a combination, which also is all tap is. I've said this before and I'll say it again. It's just a combination of the same fucking things. Like a wing is literally just jump, scrape, pull, in. I can do this, and I can do that, and I can pull in. You can put it in a wing all fucking at the same time. It doesn't matter. Nothing matters. Also, LA time steps. I also always kind of forget how to do them, but in the middle, I kind of remember, right? So you got your single time step. You got your double time step. I forgot how to count. Triple time step. That was kind of an LA time step at the end. Also, for triples, you can do them with This is kind of for any time step. Oh my God, I'm hot. I'm putting my hat on backwards. I'm sorry, I know. It's a fashion fucking catastrophe. I don't have time to cut my hair all the time. For anyone, all right? So stop bagging on me. I know I have long hair, all right? I'm on it, okay? Just calm down. I'm angry at myself. Okay, also sometimes I do this. I'm not trying to make a fucking statement, but if I happen to, you're welcome. It's just hot sometimes. It's just hot. It's just hot. Like it is right now. Currently, it's like negative 35. But I've been screaming around in this fucking basement, it's a garage, for like an hour. No, it's been like 10 minutes. Anyways, where was I? Oh, single, double, triple. LA. Easy peasy, rice and cheesy. I don't know. What are these, Irish cobras? Oh, I haven't done those. Is that like an Irish under? That's not it. That's not anything. Oh, the 3 or like 4 different types of buffaloes. Those are evil. Okay, ready? 2, 3. Evil. Those are evil. It's basically, you can do this for hours, but you can't do it on one leg forever. Maybe you can. It depends on the person, honestly. I don't know. You have your fucking 4-point paddle. You can do those forever. 3-point paddles are the hardest in my opinion, except even though there's like a 14-point paddle. That's like a riff or something. It's not actually a paddle. That's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. I don't know what fucking else there is. Oh, this thing. How's it go again? That's it. But then you have to do it the other way. I am my own refresher course. I have to make all of them clean and fucking scraping. Oh, it's because of this fucking floor. Can't always blame it on the floor, Eric. I know. Okay. What else is there? I don't know. What's a 5-point riff again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Mm-hmm. Get it together, left foot. Oh. Nope, good enough. Alright, so that's kind of it. I mean, like, that's all I can think of right now. Let's see. Kind of covered riffs, paddles. I'm gonna cover the basic shit. Alright. Tap, wig, pull, stuff. Again, fucking, I don't know, fall lap, shuffle, stomp, no, stamp, stomp, leap, jump, also, because it gets me places. Alright, that's it. How do you find this helpful? I'm going insane a little bit.